For this step, I use the first and the third equation. I multiply the first equation by 3 to eliminate the z. And I got 3x plus 3y minus 3z equals negative 3. And by simplifying, I got 5x plus y equals 5. For this step, I use the first and the third equation, and I multiply this first equation by 2 to also eliminate the z. And I got 2x plus 2y minus 2z equals negative 2. And by simplifying the two equations, I got 4x plus y equals 7. For the third step, I used the two simplified equations, and I multiplied the 4x plus y equals 7 equation by negative 1 to get negative 4x minus y equals negative 7. And by simplifying, I got x equals negative 2. And this is your first variable you will find. For this step, you'll be finding the y variable, and the easiest way to do this is to substitute in the x value, which you just found, into one of the equations with two variables. And by simplifying that one equation, you will receive the answer for the y variable, which is 15. For this step, you'll be finding the last variable. And to do this, you would substitute the two variables that you already found into any of the three equations. I substituted the negative 2 and the 15 to the x plus y minus z equals negative 1 equation. And after simplifying, I got 14 equals z for my last variable. Finally, it's time to show your work. Substitute in all three values to all three equations. I say substitute them to all three equations because you just want to make sure all the equations checked out to each other, in which this case they do. Therefore, the answers that you found are correct.
Created using Powtoon.